in progress. It is November 28th, 2019. This will be Under the Wings Art Series artwork number 70. Franco Cesani is the photograph I had a print from that I photographed. Oops, there's no light here. And it's going to be 16 by 20. I haven't decided whether, once the portrait is done, if I'm going to draw a wing, or wings, or sea monsters. I'm leaning towards possibly one sea monster and one wing. Metaphoric on both counts. He was the youngest partisan, Italian, to die in combat against the Fascists and Nazis in Italy during World War II. He was also Jewish. Franco Cesana, he was slain, I think it was 4 days before he would have turned 13. And I find it ironic that the youngest Italian to die in combat against the Fascists was Italian Jewish, and the only Italian woman to die in combat against the Fascists in Italy during World War II was herself Jewish, Rita Rosani of Trieste. Anyway, to be continued. So, best Thanksgiving wishes to American friends, friends of American friends, and so on. All right, there you have it for now. This is the third day. The first day I kind of assembled a collage of different papers to do the drawing on. Then the second day I did this kind of purple wash. I wanted to kind of capture the tone I had done. May not show up in the camera here. At least it's not in the viewfinder here. But I give it like kind of like a purplish, light, pale violet tint. And anyway, to be continued. Franco Cesani of blessed memory.